Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's been quite a long now that we didn't make a vlog video, but today we are back again with this video will be unboxing unboxing video. This is none other than iPad 6th generation 128 GB, and the color is rose gold. So let's unbox this. Okay, now we have a blade to cut this bubble wrap. This package is shipped from Delhi by my friend Ate Chong too. He also have one YouTube channel. He's been playing PUBG. Ama him PUBG game who live streaming a bozing hi in. Ama channel jong description ahim koi ping katin. Ama channel subscribe nai lo hon jong subscribe na bol pi uhitin. So let's do unpacking. Alright, but na i-unpack điều hum side. Packing chon ball hoy ve bubble wrap hoy tanam ball vin safety ta in ball pi zi vin pa thu saving. Sa thế này. Wow, Apple logo kini ban. Apple logo hi akikit la ban hi. Pita bongham beauty. I am very excited to see this new iPad. Namu thấy vắm. 128 GB iPad 6th generation. This is just only Wi-Fi cellular low pa na cellular zao ro chia hi. Okay, plastic ho chai ta a plastic cover pa hi bubble wrap ma zao tha da na ti. Oh, gold color iPad 6th generation. Apple logo khat ome sticker. iPhone, iPad, iMac, MacBook thì hỏi so ale Apple te hen sticker ni free an pi ziu he. Welcome to iPad. Tầm lộ na. Chi le adapter. Chi what is that paham ka light dim val base en ka mu thei poi. Okay, 10W charger. 10W mu thei bam. Charger hi hat thau na ven. Chi he iPad thau chu. Okay, to unboxing ball of in. This is the iPad. To unboxing ball pen chu chi rose gold hi in. Pink color chi hi le ka background a light ji a hin na. Lighting ke khat ji a hin. Chi a hi in EPP hi le iPad hi EPP device le phone hi le EP hi le. Yo a first a tha ai la ale hin full charge ball ma sa te te ngayon na. You have to fully charge the device. So 100% chat hi zong le tham phat charging him bowling katin aban le turn on your bowling ngo. First user setup na. First user setup Apple ID EPP ho kitun ho chu abana video ni vet kit diu he. Okay, hello English India. Set up manually. continue. Okay. New setup ahe ngai te te ji hi ban le wifi connect zo phat le apple id ki thung masaji apple id first a wifi connecting, and then after that apple id thundi touch id ong ki koi pe pe ngene ka ve password hin ki set ngai okay. Don't transfer apps and datas. Okay. Aha. Verification code hi ka iPhone na hong di hi in video khat bay na stop mate. Okay. Agree. Kita di tai. Keep your iPad up to date. Okay. Do not use. Improve Siri and dictation. No. Screen time. Setup later. Continue. Don't share. Light. Welcome to iPad. Welcome to the new iPad. Okay. That's it, guys. Video. So he first setup is also Wi-Fi. Aku na ipipiaman ki khat data yo. Okay, magun ho keep Apple ID, ki log enter, general, iPad storage. Storage si, okay. Okay, 7.7 GB. Ama 7.7 GB hele ama aki update na EPP. OS na ni 8 na. Ja 128 GB. Okay. This is my Apple ID. Find my iPad ki onta. Okay. Find my iPad. Okay. Find my device. While using apps. Okay, location. Umoy. This iPad video umta 12 Pro to kala na pa zong umta. Okay. These are my iPad devices. Okay, we are ready. Ready. Hello. Photos umnailo. Oh no. iCloud ko off ngay. Turning off. Koti lo le. Ka iOS device ha lim zo siya malaman na download kit di iPad na heng koi kit di in. Contacts latte, calendar latte, notes reminder latte, message iMessage song za kaza ngay ding. Safari stop kitchen, iCloud backup hi ko off ngay. Don't need to backup iCloud drive ngay low. Shortcuts okay. That's it. Okay. Photos for you, all album. Okay, macam talo. So finally, iOS account ho episode si chu yet chai ta bin na. This is it. Gold color hi in. chi hi mu thei bam okay that side di hok set up na chu that side di okay macha ki download nai lo clean and clear fresh test na lai so guys thank you for watching this video hi chi channel lai hi subscribe no bol nai lawa lung sit then subscribe ni bol pi event lang like button zong nim bol pi event lang feedback abana ipi video content namu no muwam na vet no muwam hi lo le kya ko na ipi content ka hin sim be thayam ti zong chu nin suggest so bin lang comment na ki phalam lo hi la in se la jing theu hin tin and then so thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please keep supporting 10k subscribers on pa ba de wetan na ke pa ma mazingin tu changya subscribe him bola video in vet pi hozo si chunga evelin ke pa thu kan sayin. So guys, see you on the next video again. Bye bye.